Hello, students. Welcome to the mathematics class. Till now, we have learned in the chapter of common fractions that how to find out the lowest term of a fraction and also how to write their equivalent fractions, right? And also we have done the exercise 8.5. Now we are moving towards the addition of the like fractions. Just pay attention onto the word that is like fraction, right? Like fractions. In our last class we have dealt with the types of fractions, in which we came to know that what is a like fraction. Like fraction are those fractions which have the same denominator, right? So here you will be doing the additions of the like fractions in which the fractions will have the same denominators. As you are able to see here, I'll be reading from the first line. The, the if you are not able to get the video clear, then you can simply do that. Just open up your page number 96 of the book and go on reading along. That addition of like fractions, it tells us that let us find the sum of two fractions, where which two fractions, 1 by 8 and 3 by 8, for example. Students, in this you have to simply make up your mind and get the concept clear. Like, for addition of the like fractions, the denominators will be same, so you simply need to add the numerators, right? As you are able to see here that I'm just skipping this part. This is not much of importance, rather just coming to the example number 1. Here what you are able to see, that here it is saying add together what, 4 by 13 and 6 by 13, right? So when we will be writing here 4 by 13 plus 6 by 13, what we are doing, we'll put an equal to mark, and then we'll simply draw a line and write 13 in the denominator, because denominators will never change if you are adding the like fractions, okay? And now we will add the numerators, that is 4 plus 6, and we'll get the answer as 10 by 13, right? So this is the first example. Now coming to the second example, it is saying add together 4 by 25, 7 by 25 and 8 by 25. Again, children, you are able to see that the denominator is not changing. So this is the like fraction, and we will be adding these like fractions by writing the denominator as to be the same, that is 25, and in the numerator part we'll write 4 plus 7 plus 8, and then again we'll write the equal to mark and we'll simply add them, and we got 19 upon 25, right? So children, here as you are able to see in this very box, it is written that to add two or more like fractions, we add the numerators of the given fraction to get the numerator of the sum, and the denominators remains unchanged. मतलब आप जब भी किसी भी like fraction को add करेंगे, तो आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ numerators को add करते हैं और denominators सेम वैसे ही रहते हैं जैसे आपको पहले दिए गए हों, राइट? तो चिल्ड्रन, in your copy, what you will be writing? You will be writing the date of 14 September, and then you will be writing example 1 and example 2 as it is given in the book, right? And then coming to the exercise 8.6, as we have written the example number 1 and 2. So before moving towards the exercise, let's take an example from my side, okay? So if I give you like 7 by 13 plus 12 upon 30, what you will do, you will simply put the equal to mark and you will make a line, then you will write 13, because we know that denominators will not change as they are the like fractions. Now what you will write, we'll just copy the numerators 7 plus 12. Now coming again into the next line, or if you have the space you can continue from here also, but I'm just continuing from below, right? So what you will do, you will again draw a line and write the denominator as 13, and now you'll add 7 plus 12. What you got? 12 plus 7 कितना होता है? Yes, 19 होता है. Good. Means you got it, the answer as 19 by 13. Okay. So this can be written as this, and finally you got the answer 19 by 13. I hope you understood the concept and the steps how you have to do it, right? So now coming back to the exercise here, what the question is saying, write a fraction for each shaded part and add, right? So what you will do, like here, how many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 boxes are there, and the first one is done for you. So here are 8 boxes, and the boxes that are shaded by gray color are 2, right? And the boxes that are shaded with purple color are 3, right? So what you did, 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8, what you wrote, 2 by 8 for this section and 3 by 8 for this section, right? And finally you just copied the denominator as 8, and then you wrote 2 plus 3, and finally you got the answer as 5 by 8, right? So now coming to the B part, what you will what are you seeing, how many boxes are there? Just count, 1 2 3 4 5, and 5 into 3, 15. Overall 15 boxes are there. So what you will write, 15. And how many colored boxes, yellow colored boxes are there? 6, right? And then how many purplish boxes are there? 4. So means 4 by 15. So finally what you got, you will write 15 and 6 plus 4. So you got the answer as 10 by 15. 10 by 15, right? So first B part is also done by me, and I hope that you too are will be able to do the same. So let's come to the next page, the C and D part. C and D part will be done by you yourself, okay? These two will be done by you yourself in the book, okay? And then you will be writing in the copy that एक्सरसाइज 8.6 आपने जहाँ पे 2 एग्जाम्पल्स उतारे हैं, उसके बाद आप एक्सरसाइज 8.6 लिखेंगे, एंड देन वी विल बी डूइंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, ठीक है? हम ये 4 क्वेश्चंस अपनी कॉपी में करेंगे, ठीक? आप इतना काम, वो 2 एग्जाम्पल्स उतारेंगे और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को अपनी बुक में करेंगे, ठीक है? एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 8 एंड 9 जो मैंने अभी टिक किया था, वो हम 14 को मंडे को क्लास में ही करेंगे, ठीक है? जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने क्रॉस लगाए हैं उन्हें आप रफ कॉपी में ट्राई कीजिएगा, ठीक है? आपको फेयर कॉपी में सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल करना है, जो कि आपको पेज नंबर 96 पे दिया हुआ था, राइट? पेज नंबर 96 पे जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था, कौन से 2 एग्जाम्पल्स थे? यहाँ पे देखिए, ये 2 एग्जाम्पल्स आपके दिए हुए हैं, इन्हें आपको कॉपी करना है अपनी फेयर कॉपी में, एंड देन डू एक्सरसाइज 8.6 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इन योर बुक, एंड ट्राई द क्वेश्चंस दैट आर बीइंग कट, जिन्हें मैंने क्रॉस लगा के रखा है, उन्हें आप क्वेश्चंस को आप अपनी चाहे बुक में ही डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप रफ कॉपी में भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। अब यहाँ पे मैं आपको पहला जो यहाँ पे मैंने आप जो क्रॉस लगा के रखा है जिन क्वेश्चंस को, उनको मैं आपके लिए सॉल्व कर देती हूँ एक बार। देखिए, फर्स्ट कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे क्या दिया हुआ है, 2 by 9 एंड 4 by 9, मतलब ऐड करना है 4 by 9। तो आपको देख के ही आंसर पता चल जाएगा कि आपको डिनोमिनेटर में तो चेंज होगा नहीं, तो आपको 9 ही लिखना है, एंड 2 + 4 6, राइट? तो इसका आंसर आएगा 6 by 9। बट आपने लोवेस्ट टर्म भी सीखा है ना? लोवेस्ट टर्म कैसे निकालेंगे? सबसे पहले आप ये देख के ही पता कर रहे हैं कि 6 और 9 जो है वो एक कॉमन टेबल में जाता है। किस में जाता है? 3 के टेबल में, है ना? तो आप इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं कि 3 एक मिनट, 3 2 ज़ा 6 होता है, एंड 3 3 ज़ा 9, तो इसको ऐसे कट भी कर सकते हैं, और फिर यहाँ पे फाइनल लिख देंगे 2 by 3, मीन्स आपको आंसर क्या मिलेगा, 2 by 3। अगर आपका आंसर 6 by 9 आ रहा है बच्चों, तब भी वो सही है, बट क्योंकि आपने लोवेस्ट टर्म भी निकालना सीखा है फ्रैक्शन में, इसलिए आप उसको लोवेस्ट टर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो ऐसे आप इस पूरी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, बुक में ही डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो आप बुक में डायरेक्टली ऐसे ही सॉल्व कर लीजिए, बट वो दोनों एग्जाम्पल्स अपनी कॉपी में कर लेंगे और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को अपनी बुक में करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल बी मीटिंग ऑन मंडे for doing the rest of the work. Okay, till our next class, students, be safe, be healthy, and keep learning. Thank you.